Rika, kamusta kayong lahat? For today's vlog, I'm going to show an easy tutorial on how to make a YouTube thumbnail in the easiest and convenient way. So, usually what I'm doing is that I'm just preparing all the pictures that I'll be needing, and then I go to Google Chrome, and then I will just type background remover, and then okay, this is what I usually use. So, and then after that I will just upload the image that I'll be needing. So my vlog is going to be about this one, the vlogger Timon Fantomarak vlogger. So see, so it's as easy as that, and then if you download it, it will automatically be saved in your cell phone's gallery. And then the other things that I want to remove the background are this, okay, these ladies. See how it is so easy to use. And there are some image that I still want to remove, so I'm just gonna remove it like this to make it look a bit nicer. Okay, then I will just download it, and then after that I'm going to use Poster My Wall. This is the app that I'm using. So it's actually very convenient to use. So I'm just, yeah, it's already here. I'm just gonna, you just need to type YouTube thumbnails, and then when you enter it, there will be a lot of choices to choose from. Okay, so let me find something that I can use. Actually, you can really, you can really see a lot of choices, and it's, for me, it's taking time for me to choose the design that I want. Okay, I think I'm going to use this one. So, uh-huh. Okay, so with this, you can remove, you can delete all the words that you don't want to use. Plus, you can add the image that you removed the background a while ago. So, okay, so it's here now. So I'm gonna remove this man here, and then I will put this one Temon's image here. I'll make it a bit bigger. Okay, I actually don't like it, so I can remove it. Okay, then I will put him here. Okay, so I already create a thumbnails, and I will just save it. Now I have my YouTube thumbnails, as easy as that. I hope you will try this one.